Good evening, everybody. This is your evening earthquake report, and then as soon as I get confirmation on one more earthquake, I will do a live feed. All right. There was a 2.7 Australia at 0 miles in depth, a 3.5 Ecuador at 6.2 miles in depth, a 4.9 Tonga Island region at 1.2 miles in depth. That came across on two earthquake center apps and the links are in the bottom. There was a 4.4 near the coast of Nicaragua, and that came in at 37.2 miles in depth. 3.4 Australia at 9 miles northeast of Cleve. That came across on the Australia Earthquake Center and the EMSC. Australia had it at 2.4, EMSC had it at 6.2. There was a 4.4 Nicobar Island region at 6.2 miles in depth, a 3.0 Costa Rica at 20.5 miles in depth, a 3.4 Alaska at 21 miles in depth, a 2.9 Northern California 12 miles east of Santa Cruz, that came in at 8 miles in depth, 2.3 Italy Iona Sea at 13.6 miles in depth, a 3.2 China, I'll be okay. A 3.2 China at 54.6 miles in depth. USGS, EMSC are not reporting these, so when one flashes up and I get an alert, I'm going to report it from the China Earthquake Center. And that came in at 54.6 miles in depth. There was a 2.7 San Francisco Bay Area, 4 miles east of Alameda, and that came in at 3.1 miles in depth. There was a 3.6 Guatemala at 34.1 miles in depth. A 3.3 Chile at 139.1 miles in depth. There was a 2.7 Kansas, 10 miles north of Caldwell, and that came in at 5 miles in depth. A 2.8 Idaho, eastern Idaho, that was 4 miles northeast of Lima, and that came in at 5 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 off the coast of Costa Rica at 1.8 miles in depth. All links will be in the description box. Thank you so much, guys, for taking the time to watch the earthquake reports. I'm going to go ahead and do a live feed now, and I will... Yes, they just confirmed. I will post that in a second. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Oh my God, you guys are so totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. Have a great evening.